Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form on Wix with JotForm. This is a really useful feature if you want to collect information from visitors directly on your website without them having to leave your page. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the JotForm homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that contains the form you want to embed, as you'll need access to it in just a moment. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the JotForm dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Browse through your existing forms and locate the one you'd like to embed on your Wix site. Once you've found it, click the Edit Form button. This will open up the form editor, giving you access to all the publishing options. Now look at the top of the screen and click on the Publish tab. This tab contains all the different ways you can share your form with others. On the left sidebar, you'll see several options, so go ahead and click on Embed. This is where JotForm provides you with the code needed to place your form directly onto your website. You'll now see the form embed code displayed under the section labeled Embed this form on your website. This code is what allows your form to appear seamlessly within your Wix page. Click the Copy Code button to copy this form code to your clipboard. Make sure the code is fully copied before moving on to the next step. Next, switch over to your Wix Editor tab where you're building or editing your website. If you haven't already added an HTML box to your page, you'll need to do that first by clicking Add on the left panel, then selecting Embed and choosing HTML form. Once you have your HTML box on the page, click on it to select it. After selecting the HTML box, you'll see an option to enter code, which might appear as a button or through the settings icon. Click Enter Code to open the code input field. This is where you'll paste the JotForm form code that you copied earlier. Simply paste it into the field and then click Update to apply the changes. Now it's time to make sure your form looks good on your page. You can resize and position the HTML box by dragging its corners to adjust the dimensions. This allows you to control exactly how much space the form takes up and where it appears on your page layout. Before making your changes live, it's always a good idea to test everything first. Click the Preview button at the top of the Wix editor to see how your form will look to visitors. Make sure it's displaying correctly and functioning as expected. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to make the form live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your JotForm on your Wix website, allowing visitors to fill out your form without ever leaving your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.